Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we are going to be going over a quick sound check of how the 535i sounds like with a Catless Downpipe, no resonator, and some aftermarket sport mufflers. So let's get right into it. So here we are. This is, of course, you guys know my 2013 BMW 535i F10 generation. And right now what I have on this car is a Catless Downpipe, no resonator, and some sport mufflers. These mufflers, actually, I got on Amazon for around 30 bucks each. They are Thrush. The brand is Thrush. I've never heard of Thrush. Supposedly they make mufflers for American muscle cars. I found them on Amazon. They said universal, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try that, because the thing is, in my previous video about my exhaust, I said that the car just wasn't loud enough, I believe. With the Catless Downpipe, no resonator, and the stock mufflers, it sounded like the stock exhaust. It was ridiculous how powerful those stock mufflers are on this car, because they are huge and they really do muffle. But I wanted a little more sound, so I went on Amazon and I found these for 30 bucks each, and I bought them. And I put them on, and I think they look really cool and they sound even better. I mean, really, they do sound really, really good. So I'm not gonna get too caught up in talking. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do a cold start right now, and then I'm going to show you guys some revs and some, drive-bys and some passes with, Eco Pro mode, and I have an MHD tune, of course. So I'm going to show you guys soft pops, medium pops, and some hard pops. So let's get right into it and see what this thing sounds like. Also, this is a cold start, even though it's like 90 degrees right now in Houston. It's a cold start. So there you have it. That is what the 535i sounds like with the Catless Downpipe, Resonator Delete, and the Thrush Turbo Sport Mufflers. It sounds really good, but I must say one thing that I know all of you guys watching, if you have a 535i and you want to get a good exhaust note, you want to know about the drone. And yes, it drones. A lot. It really does drone. A lot. It's not much better than what it was with the Muffler and Resonator Delete and the stock downpipe. It's about the same amount of drone, maybe a little bit less. It's pretty unbearable for me at least. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the Resonator on. So that's gonna be another video, and you know what to do for that. You guys gotta subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post that video. And basically why I'm doing that is I'm just trying to find the right balance between nice aggressive sound and daily ability, usability every day, right? There's no drone, but I still get a good sound. And so far that's been kind of impossible to find. I just cannot find the right thing, the right setup. I have gone through maybe 4 or 5 different setups right now. But if you guys, if any of you have any suggestions for how I can keep the Catless Downpipe on the car and get a really nice exhaust note without using the stock mufflers and not have any drone, please put it in the comments. Let's all help each other. I think there's a lot of us on the same boat right now where I'm on right now, just trying to find the right balance between noise and drone, preferably with little to no drone. And if this setup doesn't work, the one that I've mentioned with the Resonator, I got this right here. Just brainstorming, just a little bit of brainstorming. But that is about it for today, guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this, and please subscribe. It really helps me, and it helps the channel grow. So thank you all again very much for watching, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Take care.